this is Somir and today I'm going to unbox this Garibon ka smart camera. This is the WyzeCam. Can you imagine what the price is? It's just 20 US dollars. So if you're importing it to India, maybe it will be somewhere around like 3,000 rupees. So I haven't seen a smart camera yet which doesn't frustrate you with the crazy expenses it involves. But this is just like $20 and it does everything. It does full HD, 1080p, night vision, sound detection, motion detection, smoke detection, like everything. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So here is the box, and on the front you see the nice design of the box with the complete WyzeCam camera picture. On the side it says 1080p Full HD, two-way audio, motion detection. On the back it says the model number, input voltage, Wi-Fi capability and the compatibility, and all those details like night vision, 14 days free cloud recordings and the 8x digital zoom. So let's go ahead and open it now and see what do we have inside the box. On opening it, we directly see the nice WyzeCam. Let's see what else do we have in the box. Here is a nice quick start guide with the warranty. In case you're looking to go through, just go through. I've already gone through it. So inside it, I guess we have the power cable. Yes, it's the power cable, the long one. And this is the 3M sticker which you need to put it to your wall directly, and this is which you need to stick it to your wall. Then the camera sticks to this because it's a magnetic surface. Inside it we get the power cable and the power cord. This supports up to 240 volts, so you can use it directly on India, Europe, US, whatever it is. Now here is the camera. First off, you need to take this. Wow, this is nice. I don't believe it's just $20. Can you believe that? Wow, really wow. On the back it says WyzeCam model 5 volts 1 ampere Wyze Labs Incorporation, made in China. And this is how you can move it and place it to any of the surface and stick it to any of the surface like this, and just try to move it depending on how you want it to be and on what angle you need it to be. And on the back we have this one USB port and the power port, so you can just connect the power cable directly to this port and connect it with the power. This USB port has no use right now. Maybe for the next upcoming firmwares they are going to use it for daisy chaining the WyzeCams. And about the setup, it's kind of easy. All you have to do is just go to your phone app store. The app is available on both iOS and Android. Go to WyzeCam or Wyze Labs, whatever it is. Select the app, download that app, go to that app, open it, register an account. Once you log in, you are going to see the add a device icon. Then click on the add a device, then switch on the WyzeCam using this setup button. Once it's on, it's going to say ready to connect or ready to set up. So once that is done, you will be seeing one QR code. Just make the phone face the WyzeCam using like this, and once the QR code is read, it's going to say QR code is ready, QR code is read, something like that. It's ready to connect again. Just put back the WyzeCam and it's going to take like few seconds to connect. Once it's done, it's going to show up as connected. You have to make sure you have entered the Wi-Fi password correctly. Once that is done, it's perfect, it's done, it's connected. So the setup is that easy. It's not complex at all. Just switch on that app, connect it with your WyzeCam, scan the QR code, it's connected, swipe in one micro SD card, reboot that WyzeCam because it's not going to read the micro SD card if you have not switched it off. Just switch it on back. Before that, make sure the SD card needs to be less than 32 GB or 32 GB because it doesn't support more than 32 GB. Connect it and you are going to see it with the micro SD. It's going to show up as the exact how much data is left, how much space is left. Just maybe format it once, then go ahead and configure from the settings panel all the things which you need to keep it enabled. Like I have enabled motion detection, sound detection, smoke detection. And about how to fix it to your surface or the walls, it's nice and easy. This surface has got the magnet, so if you have got any of the magnetic surface or like iron surface, you can just go ahead and connect it directly to the wall. And if you don't have that kind of stuff, it also comes with this 3M stripe. So just open it, connect it to your wall, connect this Wyze iron surface, and directly you can it's connected, something like this. So let's say this is the wall, and you can go ahead and point the camera right wherever you need. That easy. And now about the pros and cons. For the pros, it's 1080p Full HD, it supports night vision, it does motion detection, sound detection, smoke detection, two-way audio, and it also supports like upload to the cloud for free. 14 days free cloud storage. This is amazingly good. And it also supports Amazon AWS upload, supports time-lapse features, supports real-time alerts, supports live streaming to the applications. You cannot ask more than this for just $20. And now about the cons. Very short night vision capability. It's just like 5 meters max. It saves only few seconds of the activity, not more than that. And no long recording to the cloud yet, but you can save all those long recording to the SD card. And it also doesn't support more than 32 GB SD card. It's not waterproof and it's not an outdoor camera. You cannot use it for the outdoor recording. It also doesn't work with 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. It only works with 2.4 GHz like DGN. It doesn't work with AC networks. Now about the pricing and shipping, it's just $20. They ship worldwide, so if you're looking to get it to India, you can just go ahead and place the order directly on their website. So that's all about this Garibon ka smart camera, the WyzeCam. If you have got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking to order this, I've left all the links below in the video description because this company also ships to India. So I guess you should get it for like 2,000 or 3,000 rupees with the duty and shipping maybe. So that's all about it. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time.